In some cases, unexpected issues may arise during a test. For example, a test taker's computer may crash or run out of battery, leaving the test incomplete. If a test taker is unable to complete a test for any reason, you may want to either reset the test so they can start from the beginning or allow them to resume where they left off. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to perform both of these actions. I navigate to the Test Sessions panel of one of my tasks to view recent test sessions. If you want your test taker to start a test anew, you can ignore the test session, which means the system treats it as non-existent, allowing the test taker to retake the test from the beginning. To ignore a test session, select it and click on the Ignore button. Ignoring a test session may not be the optimal solution, as it could give the test taker an advantage by having seen some of the questions already. In this scenario, it is recommended to reinstate the test session, which allows the test taker to resume the test from where they left off. This ensures that the candidate is not at an unfair advantage by having already seen some of the questions. When reinstating the test, go to the report of the test session and select the Reinstate tab. This will display the full list of sections and pages in the test, along with information about which pages the test taker has already visited. To access the test taker's time spent and ensure that they are not given an unfair advantage, you can access the Display Interactions label by clicking on the menu icon. This will display a table presenting the total time spent in each part of the test, allowing you to see the amount of time the test taker has spent on each section and page. If you want to automatically configure the time limits based on the test taker's previous performance, simply click on the Auto Configure option. Note that the Auto Configuration Assistant has automatically decreased the time limit for the first section by 25 seconds based on the previous session of the candidate, where they spent 25 seconds on this section. If you need to reconfigure the test from scratch, you can use the panel to set new time limits, lock certain sections or pages, and set the starting page for the test. Once your configuration is complete, click on the Reinstate button to reinstate the test session. Finally, you can send an email to the test taker informing them that their test session has been reinstated and that they can resume the test. To do so, navigate to the Candidates panel, select the relevant candidate, click on the Email button, and choose the Reinstate email template. Preview and send the email. Handling edge cases in testing can be challenging, but Test Invite gives you the tools you need to maintain control over the testing process and ensure fairness for all candidates.